Good morning, student of class 6. I am your computer teacher Sunjit sir. Hope you all are fine. Today I am going to continue the second chapter, which is file management, organization of data. This is my third video of regarding this chapter. Okay, so let's start the discussion. Here you can see the content page of this chapter. Today I am going to discuss about the file management, moving a file or folder, and copying a file or folder. Okay, this is the three topics which I will be discussed in this video. But before starting the discussion, I would like to tell all of you that the computer copy carries 30 marks. So all of you should write all the question answer in your computer copy. Okay, and as I told you that I would provide all the question answer as a PDF. You need to download the PDF from the YouTube, and you can easily write the question answer from this PDF. Okay, and as per some guardian request and also some student difficulties to understand the lesson in English, I will discuss the chapter both English and give some example in Hindi. Okay, so let's move on to the topic. Here you can see the file management. File management means in the process of sorting and handling files in a computer. Files can be maintained using folder or maintained using folder of different categories. They can be times when we save our files in different computer location, for example in home, in school, etc. There are various ways to transferring file from one location to another location. दैट मीन्स फाइल मैनेजमेंट मीन्स क्या होता है, हम लोग कंप्यूटर में बहुत सारा ड्राइव रहता है और हम लोग उस फाइल को कहीं पे भी स्टोर कर सकते हैं अकॉर्डिंग टू आवर चॉइस. ओके, सो उसी फाइल को कैसे एक जगह से दूसरी जगह पे मूव कराना है. ओके, यही यहाँ पे स्टेप्स बोला गया है. ओके, सो टू ट्रांसफ़र फाइल्स फ्रॉम ए कंप्यूटर टू CD DVD फॉलो दिस स्टेप्स. दैट मीन्स यहाँ पे जो फाइल हम लोगों ने कंप्यूटर में स्टोर किया हुआ है वो फाइल हम लोग कैसे CD और DVD में ट्रांसफ़र करेंगे वो यहाँ पे स्टेप्स दिया गया है. ओके, दिस इज़ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू रीड राइट ए CD और DVD. ओके, you need to know how to write a CD or DVD. Okay, so number one point is select the file or folder you wish to transfer in the CD. That means here you can see the picture. Select the file or folder. Select the file or folder which you want to transfer into the CD. Okay, next is insert a blank CD or DVD into your rewritable disk drive. It will be shown on the DVD raw E. Okay, here you can see the picture DVD raw E. Okay, DVD RW drive E. When we insert a CD or DVD, that CD or DVD shown on the this drive. Okay, E drive. मतलब कि हम लोगों को जो है वो पहले जो है जिस फाइल को हम लोग कॉपी करना चाहते हैं CD में उसको तो पहले सिलेक्ट किया जाता है. यहाँ पे देख रहे हैं आप लोग सिलेक्ट किया गया है. नेक्स्ट जो है ब्लैंक CD और DVD हम लोगों को DVD राइडर में इंसर्ट करना है जो कि यहाँ पे शो करेगा. ओके, नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज़ यहाँ पे शो करेगा DVD रॉ ड्राइव E ड्राइव. ओके, द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज़ क्लिक द बर्न बटन. हियर यू कैन सी द बर्न बटन. Okay, here you can see the burn button. Click the burn button. Next is after the burning process is over, the DVD or CD contains the files and folders that have been written into it. That means जब हम लोगों का CD और DVD burn हो जाएगा तब वो फाइल वहाँ पे ऑलरेडी मूव हो जाएगा. Okay, these are the steps to burn a CD or move a file or folder into the CD. Okay, now take a quick look of the steps. Okay, first of all you need to select the item which you want to move into the copy CD or DVD. Okay, then next you need to insert a CD or DVD which will be shown in here drive E. Next you next click the burn button. Here you can see the burn button, then the file will be right in your CD or DVD. Okay, these are the steps to follow to write a CD or DVD or move a file or folder into the CD or DVD. Okay, so move on to next. Here you can see moving a file or folder from drive device or drive to another device or drive. Okay, there are several ways to move a file or folders using the cut copy paste method. Or we all know that what is the meaning of cut copy paste method. Cut means permanently move a file. When we want to permanently move a file from one directory to other directory, we use cut option. Then here you can see the picture. Okay, here you can see the person folder we want to cut here and paste here. Now we read the method. First of all, the easiest method is to select the file or folder that has to be moved. That means we need to select the file or folder that has to be moved. Press Ctrl X. That means the shortcut key of cut is Ctrl X. Okay, Ctrl X is the shortcut key of cut. Keys together, or right click on the folder which you have to be moved on the click on it cut. Okay, that means हम लोग जब Ctrl X यूज़ करते हैं कोई भी फाइल को काट का जो शॉर्टकट किया है वो Ctrl X है, और कोई भी फाइल को मूव करने के लिए हम लोग Ctrl X प्रेस कर सकते हैं। और उसमें क्या होता है, हम कोई भी फाइल सिलेक्ट करके उसके ऊपर राइट क्लिक करके उसके बाद भी कट ऑप्शन में जा सकते हैं। ओके, then open the desired location where the file or folder has to be moved. Now press Ctrl V key together or right click on the empty place and click the paste option. That means the Ctrl V is the paste shortcut key of paste. Okay, Ctrl V is the shortcut key of paste. And जब हम लोग उसको काट जब हो जाएगा तब क्या करेंगे, जहाँ पे हम लोग को वो पेस्ट करना है वहाँ पे ले जाके हम लोग उसको पेस्ट कर सकते हैं। ओके, दिस इज़ द फुल प्रोसेस ऑफ यूजिंग कट एंड पेस्ट मेथड। नेक्स्ट इज़ यूजिंग नेविगेशन पैन. ड्रैग एंड डिज़ायर फाइल्स और फोल्डर्स फ्रॉम द फाइल लिस्ट टू बी डिज़ायर फोल्डर और लाइब्रेरी इन नेविगेशन पैन ऑफ विंडोज़ एक्सप्लोरर. दैट मीन्स हम लोग ड्रैग एंड ड्रॉप कर सकते हैं. ओके, जो फाइल हम लोगों को मूव कराना है उसके ऊपर सिलेक्ट करके उसको ड्रैग करके दूसरी जगह पे लिया जा सकता है. Okay, next is using multiple windows. Both the source and the target folder have to be opened and arranged side by side. Here you can see both arranged, both window are open and they arranged side by side. Now drag the folder from the first location and drop into the desired location. That means हम लोग को दो जब विंडो हम लोग साइड बाय साइड ओपन करेंगे, एक फ़ाइल को वहाँ से ड्रैग करके दूसरी जगह पे खाली ले जाके छोड़ देना है, तो ऑटोमेटिकली वो फाइल क्या होगा, मूव हो जाएगा. ओके, दिस इज़ द यूजिंग ऑफ मल्टीपल विंडोज़. Next is using the organization button in Windows Explorer. Select the file folder that has to be moved. Now click on organization drop down list. Here you can see the organization drop down list. There are several items in our computer. Okay, now select the destination folder, click on the organization drop down list and click on the paste. That means हम लोग को जहाँ पे फाइल सेव करना है वहाँ पे ले जाके हम लोग उसको पेस्ट कर सकते हैं. ओके, these are the 4 methods to moving a file or folder from device or drives or another device or drives. Okay, you need to practice this on your computer. Move on to next. Here you can see copy file or folder from device. Same thing, similar thing. Cut means I already told have that cut means permanently move a file or folder in another location or a drive. Okay, but copy means the file फाइल जो है वो क्या होगा कि जहाँ से हम लोग कॉपी करना चाहते हैं वहाँ पे भी रहेगा, और जहाँ पे हम लोग ले जाना चाहते हैं वहाँ पे भी रहेगा, मतलब 2 फाइल क्रिएट होगा. ओके, दिस इज़ द मेन थिंग ऑफ कॉपी. सो नाउ using the copy paste method, the easiest method is select file or folder has to be copied. Ctrl C is the shortcut key for copy. Ctrl C. Okay, Ctrl C is the shortcut key of copy. Then the all processes are same. All processes are same. The cut method. Okay, then you need to open the destination location and then paste here. Okay, that means हम लोग कोई भी फाइल को जहाँ पे है वो फाइल वहाँ से कॉपी करेंगे और जहाँ पे ले जाना चाहते हैं वहाँ पे ले जाके पेस्ट कर देंगे. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज़ यूजिंग द नेविगेशन पैन. you can press the control key in the keyboard and drag the desired or folder from the file list, desired folder or library or the navigation pane on the Windows Explorer. Same process. Okay, this is the same process of cut and cut copy. Okay, same process of cut copy using multiple windows. Here you can see the multiple windows side open as side by side, and drag the file into another location. Using the organization button, select the file or folder has to be copied. Now click on the organization drop down list. Here you can see the organization drop down list. There are different types of items are here. Okay, same process you need to follow according to this process. Okay, so move on to next. Here you can see transfer file from computer to flash drive. Okay, that means you need to first plug the USB flash drive directly into an USB available USB port. USB transfer from a computer file or flash drive means पेन ड्राइव. ओके, पेन ड्राइव हो सकता है, कुछ भी हो सकता है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हम लोग को क्या करना है, वो पेन ड्राइव को हम लोग को USB पोर्ट के ज़रिए कंप्यूटर में क्या करना है, इनपुट करना है. ओके, नेक्स्ट है, if USB drive or external drive or folder does not open automatically, follow this step. Click the start the computer, double click on the removable disk associated. Here you can see the picture. This is the Z drive of Z drive is the removable disk of your computer. Here you can see, double click on the removable disk associated with the USB flash drive, then navigate to the folder in your computer connecting files you want to transfer. That means हम लोगों को जो फाइल ट्रांसफ़र करना है उसको हम लोग क्या करेंगे, उसको कॉपी करके then we need to paste, click on the file you want to copy or move and select the copy or cut एज एप्लीकेबल. ओके, जब हम लोगों को जो फाइल हम लोगों को कॉपी करना है उसको हम लोग कॉपी करेंगे, देन वहाँ पे ओपन करके जो रिमूवल डिस्क है उसको ओपन करके हम लोग वहाँ पे जाके पेस्ट कर देंगे. रिटर्न टू रिमूवल डिस्क विंडो, क्लिक द राइट क्लिक विद द विंडो एंड सिलेक्ट द पेस्ट. ओके, हियर यू कैन सी द सिलेक्ट द पेस्टिंग. दिस इज द रिमूवल डिस्क and we need to paste the item here. Okay, so this is the steps to transfer files from a computer to flash drive. This is a very easy. First of all we need to insert a pen drive or a USB drive. Okay, then we need to open the removable disk, then we select the item which we want to copy from our computer to the removable disk, then paste the item on our into our removable disk. Okay, this is the steps to be followed to transfer files from a computer to a flash drive. Next is finding files with the Windows. Okay, a file in Windows 7 can be searched by using any of the following ways. That means हम लोग कोई भी फाइल को हम लोग सर्च कर सकते हैं, जो कि हम लोग के कंप्यूटर के अंदर रहेगा उसी फाइल को हम लोग सर्च कर सकते हैं. Following these steps from start menu. Here you can see the start menu, a search box search bar here. Okay, you need to put the name of the file and then press the search icon. Okay, click on the start button on the taskbar, then you type a word of or a part of the word in search box as shown in the figure 2.3. Here you can see the figure 2.3. The words matching the search text will appear automatically in the start menu. However, only the indexed file will appear in the list. Okay, that means हम लोगों को जो फाइल वहाँ पे रहेगा और उसी को टाइप करना है और मैच होगा तभी जाके वो वहाँ पे दिखेगा. नेक्स्ट है search from the search box of a folder. Here you can see the picture. When we open our computer, then search libraries. Here you can see the search box, search library. Okay, same process, we need to write here the name of the file and press the search icon. Okay, then the match file are shown one by one here. Okay, if a file has to be found with a particular folder, it is easier to type the file name in search box of the open window. It filters the view based on the text enter in the search box. All the files matching the text are display highlighting as the part of the text enter. That means जो हम लोग टेक्स्ट एंटर करेंगे वो हाईलाइटेड भी रहेगा. ओके, these are the steps to search any item or folder, okay, on our computer. So next, here are some question of inside question answer of regarding this chapter. You need to write this question answer on your computer copy. Okay, I will discuss about this define operating system with example. I already have discussed the full form of CUI, GUI. The write the difference between CUI and GUI, which is the most popular operating system. We all know that Windows is the most popular operating system. Okay, these are the question you need to write on your computer copy, and all of you need to read the chapter, read the topic very carefully for understanding the process or steps. Okay, and you need to practice these steps in on your home or your cafe. Okay, so no more today. I will continue the chapter in my next video. So till then, take care and goodbye.